Hello, everybody. I'm going to be going over the stacks chart, stacks trading. You know, I'm not really a trader. I'm an accumulator. Oh, yeah. Also, my name is Call Me Hunch. And I'm going to be diving on into that tonight. So let's give you a quick update. And I'm just like firing on all cylinders, baby. So let's go. Okay. First, go check out Trigamma. They are the NFT platform for Bitcoin ordinals, which is a Taproot program, and then also stacks, okay? And they're gonna help each other. They're gonna feed off on each other. I'll touch on that a little bit more. Okay, so 4 weeks ago, I made a video, okay? Let me see if we can zoom in here. So if you can see on the screen this chart, I said, okay, support is built, you know, we have a resistance line right around here, okay? It's a cup and handle. Now, if we gap up, it's probably going to come back, which I said, okay, that's important. Remember this line. I said, but if it could build support and then it will then gap up. I said, but if you go watch the video, I said it's most likely that it will gap up, come back down, and then go back up and form support, and then it'll gap up. Okay, so I want to go to the chart now and kind of show you what's happening. Feel free to go watch that video from 4 weeks ago. Okay, so if you could see the chart here. And let me bring myself, oh man, that's looking good over in the corner there. Looking good, Call Me Hunch. Okay, so what you can see, let's just bounce back between these two things real quick. Again, look at the thing here, okay? So I said here's the support line, cup and handle goes up. It gaps up to here. It comes back, okay? Remember, right here, look at this line, okay? I'll even circle it for you right here, okay? Look at that. Okay, and then we have this right here, this line right here. If you could see my mouse, it comes back down. Okay, and then we have the gap up here. Okay, now there is probably some type of resistance or something, you know, here if you draw it out and up. I don't know. I don't really care. If you're a trader, you probably want to take profits. Okay, I'm not a trader. I'm an accumulator. I still think this has room to run. I'm going to show you why. Okay, this guy was part of the ARK fund, Chris Bernanski, and I'll move my thing back here again so you guys can see it. He was part of ARK. I respect his opinion. And he says, we'll look back on ordinals as a moment that changed Bitcoin forever. Okay, that's a lot of innovation. Okay, it's got 207,000 views, 200,000, yeah, so that's a lot. He's basically saying the creativity is booming. Now, below here, he says thoughts on stacks, and he has in his portfolio. So I click that link, right, and it says placeholder is a venture capital firm that invents decentralized networks and Web3 services. Okay, he's a partner in it. And if you go through all the things they've invested in, it's stacks is right there. Okay, so if you click stacks, I haven't clicked it, but it'll take you to the website. So I think stacks has a long way to go, man. I mean, and I've just been calling this thing perfectly. Bitcoin and stacks are going to form a symbiotic relationship in my mind. Now, if you ask a maximalist, which I'm a recovering maximalist, if you know me, there's no use for stacks. But I do think even the maximalists can get on board, because if they don't believe ordinals or JPEGs should be on the main chain, right? At least it can be hashed onto the Bitcoin network forever, right? It can be verified on the Stacks chain, because they work together. So I think Stacks is in a good spot. If you're a trader, you know, maybe it gaps higher. Probably not. You might want to sell. But I called this thing beautifully. It did exactly what I said it would do 4 weeks ago. Sometimes I wish I had more confidence in myself to trade, but I'm a long-term wealth generator. I'm not a trader, but you can call me Hunch. Oh, let me give you one more smile. See you later.